Hello everyone, welcome back. We provide a solution given this algebra problem. We have x times x times x is equal to 27. So what is the value of x? Solution. Okay, so we have x multiplied by x multiplied by x. This is equal to 27. Okay, so x times x times x, this is x cubed. This is equal to 27. Okay, so now if you take 27 on the left hand side, I'm going to have x cubed subtract 27. This is equal to 0. Okay, so we can express 27 as 3 raised to power 3. Now if you say 3 raised to power 3, actually it's supposed to give us 27. Okay, so we have x cubed subtract 3 cubed. This is equal to 0. Okay, now as you can see, this part here, this part here, this is the difference of cubed, which is expressed as a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so this is the formula for the difference of cubes. Okay, so now in our case we have x cubed subtract 3 cubed. This is equal to x minus 3 x squared plus 3x plus 9. This is should give us 0. Okay, now as you can see, x squared plus 3x plus 9, this is equal to 0. Now as you can see, the first part, which is x minus 3, this is equal to 0. Okay, so that means that the first value of x, I can call this x1, this is equal to 3. Okay, so let's solve the second part. The second part is x squared plus 3x plus 9. This is equal to 0. And that happens to be the quadratic equation. So let's solve this quadratic equation. Seeing that the second part is a quadratic equation expressed as x squared plus 3x plus 9. So how do we go about it? So we have that this is a quadratic equation which is expressed in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now from quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 9. Okay, so to solve for the value of x, we introduce that is the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 is c divided by 2a. Okay, so let's substitute the values of a, b, and c. We'll have negative 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 3 squared, subtract 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is equal to 9. Okay, divide everything by 2 times 1. Okay, now from here we have negative 3 plus or minus 3 squared is 9, subtract, now this is 9 times 4. Okay, this is equal to 36 divided by 2. Okay, so that we're going to have negative 3 plus or minus the square root of, this is 9 subtract 36, which is negative 27 divided by 2. Okay, which we can express as negative 3 plus or minus, okay, the square root of 27 can be expressed, negative 27 can be expressed as 27 times negative 1 divided by 2. Okay, so that now we're going to have negative 3 plus or minus, now the square root of 27, that is 27, we can also express again as 9 multiplied by 3 times negative 1 divided by 2. Okay, so let's proceed. We are saying that 27 can be expressed as 9 times 3 times negative 1. So we have negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 times 3 times negative 1 divided by 2. Okay, so that we're going to have negative 3 plus or minus The square root of 9 is equal to 3. The square root of -1, it's I, multiplying by square root of 3, divide everything by 2, okay? So that we're going to have -3 divided by 2 plus or minus 3I square root of 3 divided by 2, okay? So that now we'll have negative, this is 1.5 plus or minus 1.5I square root of 3, okay? So that means that we have two possible values of, that is, you can call this one x2, that is x2 is equal to negative 1.5 plus 1.5I square root of 3, and x3 is equal to negative 1.5 subtract 1.5I square root of 3, okay? And these actually, these are imaginary roots. These are imaginary roots or complex roots, okay? So that means that this particular algebra problem has got 3 solutions. We have 3 solutions. We have 3 solutions with x1 equal to 3, x1 equal to 3, x2 and x3, which is negative 1.5 plus 1.5I square root of 3, and x3. So these are 3 solutions. So thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe.